What if I told you that in 2026, AI can write your emails, create professional videos, design logos, build presentations, edit photos, and even help you earn money, all in just a few minutes? The best part? Many of these AI tools are free to start. In today's video, I'll show you the 10 best AI tools of 2026 that are changing the way people work, learn, and create content. Or complete beginner, these tools can save you hours every week. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last AI tool might completely change how you work online. Welcome back to DB Solutions, your channel for the best technology tips, AI tutorials, and online tools. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Now, let's get started. 1. ChatGPT. First on our list is ChatGPT. ChatGPT remains one of the most powerful AI assistants available today. It can write articles, answer questions, summarize documents, translate languages, generate business ideas, help with coding, create YouTube scripts. Whether you're writing emails, doing homework, or starting a business, ChatGPT can save you hours of work. 2. Google Gemini. Next is Google Gemini. Gemini works closely with Google Search, Gmail, Docs, and Drive. You can ask it to summarize long documents, write professional emails, analyze spreadsheets, research information, generate images. If you already use Google products, Gemini is a great AI assistant. 3. Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is perfect for office workers. It helps inside Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. Imagine creating an entire presentation from a simple prompt or analyzing thousands of spreadsheet rows in seconds. That's what Copilot can do. 4. Canva AI. Canva is no longer just a graphic design tool. Its AI features can create YouTube thumbnails, logos, social media posts, presentations, videos, marketing graphics. Even if you've never designed anything before, Canva makes it easy. 5. CapCut AI. If you're a YouTube creator or TikTok creator, you'll love CapCut AI. It can automatically edit videos, remove backgrounds, add captions, generate AI voices, create short clips, instead of spending hours editing, and do much of the work for you. 6. Perplexity AI. Need reliable research? Perplexity AI combines AI with real-time web information to provide concise answers along with source links. It's especially useful for students, researchers, journalists, content creators. 7. Claude. Claude is excellent for reading and understanding long documents. You can upload PDFs, reports, contracts, books, then ask Claude to summarize or explain the content. It also produces natural, well-structured writing. 8. 11 Labs. Want professional voiceovers? 11 Labs creates realistic AI voices in many languages. It's perfect for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, presentations. Many creators now use AI voiceovers instead of recording their own voices. 9. Midjourney. Need amazing AI images? Midjourney creates high-quality artwork from simple text prompts. People use it for book covers, posters, digital art, marketing images, concept designs. Its image quality remains among the best available. 10. Notebookum. Our final tool is Notebookum. This AI helps you understand your own documents by turning notes into summaries, study guides, and even audio-style discussions. It's ideal for students, teachers, professionals, anyone managing large amounts of information. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing people, it's helping people work smarter. The sooner you learn these tools, the more productive you'll become. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to learn about AI. Thanks for watching my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.